Gentlemen, my name is James, and I'm so glad you joined me here today. We are talking about a question that came up on our chat, and the question I take a lot of really high quality supplements, so I'm not so concerned about the food I eat or how it's cooked. Well, let me just share with you. I believe it's important to supplement your diet with nutraceuticals because ultimately that is going to fill the cracks from the foundation. But the foundation, the most important thing, is the food that goes in your body that you digest and you absorb. And what science is now showing, it's not just the food, but the way it's prepared and what it's cooked in can make all of the difference. You see, in traditional cooking practice, people boil, they steam, they microwave, they air fry. They destroy 50% of the nutritional value in their food. But what you really want to do is cook at temperatures below boiling, below steaming, in an oxygen-free environment to preserve the food's integrity and maximize the nutrients and the flavor. And so here's what I really like to get into: the science of a good quality cooking system. When you have temperature control, when you have vacuum seal, when you have even heat, and you can actually keep that nutrients in, guess what happens? When you chew it and you digest it, your body absorbs it because you have higher enzyme, you have more alkaline state, and then when you take your supplements, they really matter most. Supplement does not replace high quality octane fuel. You cannot run a car on cheap gasoline, okay, and then think that you're going to get high performance by giving it some nitrous oxide. You need the good fuel to make it work, and your body needs the best fuel. You deserve it. If you were a Ferrari or a Bentley, you would not put cheap gasoline in that car. You would put the best fuel in that car, and the food prepared in the ultimate cooking system on 316 titanium will make the difference. Keep on taking your supplements as a supplement to the right food, cooked the right way, and the right equipment. If you haven't seen our cooking show yet, I challenge you to see it because you will enjoy the food. In fact, I'm confident you'll